Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Chase Bank. Today I will show you how to set up automatic payments on Chase Bank. Now, if you want to see more videos just like this, just go on our channel. We have a bunch of different videos on Chase Bank. So if you have any issues with Chase Bank, you can go and check it out. Now, let's get started. So as you can see, first logging into your Chase account, it should look like this or it should look like this. Either way, you can go and pay credit card right here. So just click here. Or if it looks like this, then you will need to go here and set up automatic payments. You have here, you'll just need to select the account and then go here and set up automatic payments. Now, second thing is you need to go to the automatic payments. Again, if you don't have this, just try to search for it, automatic payments. Some people have other style, when it comes to the homepage. Your homepage can look like this, or like this. It depends on what type of customer you are, probably. But yeah, I'm not sure why this changes, but yeah, you need to go to the automatic payments. Then you'll need to choose your credit card, right? Obviously, you'll need to choose the credit card that you want to apply automatic payments to. Then you need to set up automatic payments right here. And as you can see, you'll need to choose a bank account to pay with. So you have payment amount, minimum payment, or full amount due. And then you can pay from, you have here, pick your payment and account. So make sure to just go here and click next. Once you click next, the other homepage will look different. So for some of you, it may look like this. For some of you, it may look like this. So make sure and go here and do the same thing if you're on the this type of homepage, which is a little bit modern homepage. And then you'll need to review and confirm the information. You'll need to obviously comply with it and then set up automatic payments. Keep in mind, this will set up automatic payments, which will automatically withdraw from your account. And as you can see, next, check the box to agree with the terms. This is also how it should look like. These are just same screens, but different style of the screen. Now, this is pretty much what you need to know if you want to set up automatic payments on Chase Bank. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.